to the house. That's good. Come on, babies. Finally got the rain we've been wanting. Kind of at a bad time. He has hay that he needs to stack, and so he's afraid he's gonna get rained out. But we did get everything moved to the house before the rain hit, and we found a lamb that is pretty sick. She's not gonna make it. So he just went to go put her down, which is why I'm sitting here, because there are just some things I cannot do, and I am more than willing to admit I cannot do them, and that's one of them. So he's gonna take care of her for me, and then we're going to move on. Well, once again, we are moving the tractor, this time home. And no video because I'm in my husband's pickup, and there's no my little phone holder is in my car, and I don't drive while holding my phone or using my phone. Well, I don't think we're going to beat the storm home. And yes, I'm at a stop sign. We hit rain about 3 miles back, and it looks like we're going directly into the storm. So that'll be fun. Are home, and we definitely didn't beat the storm. Okay, so I seriously wish I had my phone holder. This lightning storm is like crazy, more crazy than I have seen in years. So now that we are home on our own little lane, driving down to the barn, I'm gonna stop when we get down there and maybe get some record of this lightning. It's raining, but it's not like raining. It's sort of spitting raining. And granted, we've been going 20 miles an hour the entire drive home, so it's not like it's been, and I haven't turned my wipers on once, so it hasn't been like super duper rain. But the lightning, you guys, is crazy. There was a lot of lightning going on.
It was an awesome night to be out in the tractor for a drive.
Oh,
facing right to it, no less.
Well, that's just, I'm like, and of course I'm in your pickup, so I don't have my phone deal.
Yeah, I know.
So then I can't just put my phone up and record. And you know how I feel about holding my phone while I'm driving. But there is lightning everywhere. And it does smell a little smoky, so I'm wondering if there's something going on at South Hills.
I'm guessing. It's kind of swinging around. I think it's more back over here.
Think it's moving back that way?
Well,
I think it's right there.
That was a nice one.
Would have been.
Back in there. There's some good stuff. Did it bother you while we were driving?
Only that I couldn't have my phone.
Oh, it wasn't the lightning bothering you.
No.
See, I have a theory.
You've already been struck by lightning?
Yeah, and you know,
it won't get you twice?
No, it's not even that. It's that it's not worth worrying about. Because if it strikes you, it won't matter.
That's true.
And if it doesn't strike you, it won't matter. So,
Yeah, it is like all around us.
but it's not raining.
No, it's really not. That's what I
need
never
rain.
put the wipers on once driving home.
Not even the stretch this
Nope.
way? Oh, I needed it.
There's a thunder. We're gonna do something a little different today. I had a friend gift me apricots. So I have a bag of them, and we are going to make some apricot jalapeno jam because we have jalapenos in the garden that are coming in. So I haven't done this before, so it's going to be a learning experience for all of us. All right, I have my apricots cut up, a half a bell pepper, a large bell pepper, and 4 jalapenos, and this is 4 cups of apricots. And 3/4 cup white wine vinegar, and 2 cups of sugar. I have my jars and my lids and my rings all boiling. And peppers, apricots, vinegar, and sugar are all boiling. And 1 packet of sure gel pectin. Lids and rings are on, and we're going to stick it back in the water bath. Okay, and it looks like they've all sealed. So we'll go from there. Come on, Ned! Good boy. Come on, let's eat. Come on, let's eat. Good boy. Good boy. Get your dinner. Then go back to your sheep. At least they're not in the hayfield, huh? You can see they've been jumping the fence again. Right there. I need to go pick him up in town. He is stacking hay. And we're gonna come out and pound some more posts. And hopefully keep them out of the hay. Because we can't afford to be short this year. We have enough issues going on. Well, that's not supposed to happen. These 4 are supposed to be at the house. Not down here. Mama, are you teaching them how to jump? Because that won't make me happy. None of them are your baby anyway. Good grief. So he decided to plant triticale and is just disking this field so that we can get it in this weekend. So this is the field, one of the fields that I'm baling today, and he's not going very fast. So I'm gonna trade him out. Okay. It's hot. And my tractor has no air conditioning. And it's only gonna get hotter. But we're bailing. And it looks like we're gonna try and get all 3 fields done before it rains tomorrow morning. And I've been working at 6 a.m. So we'll see how this goes. As we thought. One major breakdown, a couple little issues, and now he's in the baler trying to make sure that it all works. Okay, we're back at it, and I might get this side done tonight. I swear, when it rains it pours. When your husband calls you from work and says, "Can you come help me?" You come help. So I'm picking up twine to do a bunch of rebales on this row of broken bales, and looks like there's some more up there. He got rained out this morning, so he didn't do a whole lot of baling. So I am in my work clothes, doing what I can to help him out. I'm really glad I don't have to deal with that one. I don't know what kind of snake got bailed up in there, but it's gonna stay there.